Doing the sway bar end link on the Chevy Traverse. Got the replacement part here. Something making a clunking noise. It's kind of a random clunking noise. So, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because I was looking at it, shaking things around on the suspension there, and it seems a little loose, so pretty sure that's what it is. So I'm gonna start by loosening them bolts, and then I'm gonna jack it up, take the nuts off, take the wheel off. Alright, it's a new unit. I actually got some grease fittings on it, got them greased up already, and I'll just grease up some other things while I'm in there. But I think I'm just gonna take an air tool to that and down there, and hopefully that works. I mean, it looks a little rusty, but yeah, it might be a bitch. We'll see. Alright, as presumed, these things don't want to budge. You hear the air compressor going. I'm trying to get this thing out with the air gun here. But yeah, I think it's an 18 mil, and that one's gonna be bad because there's not much room on the back end of that. So that's gonna be by hand probably. But yeah, WD-40 the crap out of them things before you go at it. There's the old one. Got it out. And the new one, fully greased, ready to go.